So as we know, JavaScript is an event-driven language, and so event listeners are an important part of JavaScript, and jQuery simplifies event listeners quite a bit. Let's take a look. So I've got my very vanilla code here again, and inside my document ready function, let's add an event listener so that when I click on the button, it changes the header text. Okay, so let's do that. And you can see my button is called My Button. So let's put the selector for My Button, and then we're going to say on, and that says we're going to add an event listener, and we're going to listen for click, and we're going to run an anonymous function when we hear that click, and that anonymous function is going to be, let's change the text. So again, we're going to jump into jQuery, and we're going to say my header text button was clicked. Save that, and there I have an event listener that is very, very simple. But wait, there's more.